Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Santosh Kumar. In this video, we will continue history from chapter 5, which is When People Rebel 1857 and After. In this video, today our topic is Aftermath. It means in this topic we will discuss what happened in India after 1857 revolt. Dear children, the British had made some important changes to run the administration, which is number one, the British Parliament passed a new law in 1858 and transferred the power of the East India Company to the British Empire or Crown. Dear children, you know very well, in our country, in 1757, East India Company which started rule in our country, and but after 1857 the British Empire or Crown which started a rule of our country. Members of the British cabinet was appointed as a Secretary of State of India, which is also called Indian Council. Now here one thing which is very important, British East India Company period of time, Governor General post which applied, but after 1857 revolt, British Crown applied Viceroy post. Viceroy post which personal representative of Crown. Okay. Now second, all ruling chiefs of the country were assumed. It means Britishers who make a new laws, and according to this laws, Indian territories would never be annexed, because before 1857 you have to watch Britishers or Englishmen, Jamindar, who always annexed land, but after 1857 revolt, Britishers who make rules, their territories would never be annexed, and also to pass on their kingdom to their inheritance, include also adopted son, because before independence we have to discuss about of doctrine of lapse. According to this rule, if an Indian ruler did not have his real son, he or she has not allowed to adopted any son. After such a king death, his kingdom was annexed to British Empire in India. But after 1857 revolt, Britishers who we change this laws and started started or pass new laws which is their kingdom to pass inheritance or adopted son. Now next is number 3, which is after independence European soldiers proportion which increases than Indian soldier proportion. Now here, which is a very important fact, after 1857 revolt, no any recruitment of Indian soldiers, only recruitment of European soldiers, and especially Gorkhas, Sikhs and Pathans, which recruitment by the Britishers. According to Britishers, these all soldiers or regiments which is loyal regiments. That's reason which recruitment by the British government. Now next point is 4. Number 4 is land and property of Muslims were seized extensively. Why? Because Britishers who think about this revolt was done by the Muslims. So overall we can say that this is called unfair treatment by Britishers. Next one is number 5th point is the British decided that they would respect the religion and social custom of the people of India, because you know very well, before 1857 revolt, Britishers who started interfere of our custom uses. You have an example of sati system, child widow marriage. So after 1857 revolt, Britishers who decided they would respect the religion and social custom of the people of India. And next, number 6, policies were made to protect landlord and zamindars and give them security of rights over their lands. So here have 6 changes which done by the Britishers for smoothly run of government after 1857 revolt. Thank you.